Dear students, a very good evening to all of you. Myself, Dr. Madhu. Today I am going to start with your third unit, that is Biology and Human Welfare. I have choose this unit because in these days, or you can say in this time of COVID-19, you all are daily hearing some typical terms many a times, like immune system, coronavirus, vaccine, how to improve our immunity and so on. That's why I have choose this unit so that you all understand these terms and concepts in a better way. So let's start with the first topic of your third unit, that is basic concepts of immunology. Now the question arises in our mind, what is immunology? Immunology is a science that deals with the study of immune system and immune response that help our host to defend against pathogens and make our host safe. That is, immunology is the study of host defense mechanism, which means how our host protects itself from the attack of foreign organisms or pathogens. Here in this sentence, I used many new terms like immune response, host and pathogen. Now I will explain these terms one by one. First of all, immune response, or you can say immune reaction. Immune response or immune reaction is a bodily response to an antigen by lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are one of the types of WBCs. So immune response is a bodily response to an antigen by lymphocytes. Second term is host. Host is a living organism, an animal or a plant, on or in which a parasite lives. Third term is pathogen. Pathogen is a specific causative agent or a foreign organism, or you can say a foreign particle that causes a particular disease in our body. So pathogens are microorganisms like a bacterium, a virus, a fungus, etc., which are capable of causing disease in our body. They are of microscopic or ultra microscopic origin. Are you getting me? I am sure you are. Here, while explaining these terms, I used another important term, that is antigen. So what is antigen and how you can define it? Antigen is any foreign substance. It may be a bacterium or a virus or any other small microorganism that produces an immune response or reaction in our body, as a result of which our body produces antibodies to destroy it. Now, here comes another term, antibodies. So what are antibodies? Antibodies are high molecular weight proteins which are produced by specialized B lymphocytes after stimulation or getting a stimulus by an antigen. Antibodies are also known as immunoglobulins. So students, I request you all, please understand these terms first of all and then proceed further. Now I will come to the main topic. Next comes the term immunity. Immunity is the ability of the host to protect itself against foreign organism or antigens. Next is immune system. Immune system is one of the important systems of our body, comprising of various cells, tissues and molecules which increase the immune reaction or response. Now we will study the term immunity in detail. Immunity is the overall ability of the body to fight against disease-causing microorganisms with the help of immune system. Or you can say the fighting capacity of our body to protect ourselves from pathogens or microorganisms. Students, you know, we all are exposed to number of pathogens every day, but only a few are capable of causing diseases in our body because our body releases antibodies against these pathogens which protect us from diseases. And this defensive or protective mechanism of our body is called immunity. Now, I will discuss about types of immunity. There are two major types of immunity as shown in the figure here. First one is innate immunity and the second one is acquired. Innate immunity is also known as non-specific or natural immunity, as it is inherited by birth. And acquired immunity is also known as specific or adaptive immunity, as this type of immunity we adapt and acquire during our lifetime. Acquired immunity is again divided into two types, that is active and passive, as shown here, which are further categorized as natural and artificial, which we will discuss later on.